A warm hello to all the women who watch this video right now. And I like to inform you that I will offer a weekend course from the 11th and 12th of March. And it is about the female healing. One major practice that I will practice with you is called Ovarian breathing. This is a very ancient technique. So the Ovarian breathing has many benefits. The first benefit is that we regulate our menstrual cycle. It also balances our hormone system, and it is also used as the beginning part of the sexual alchemy. In the Tao, we believe that we lose a lot of life force when we menstruate or giving birth, and that is gone. However, we have a lot of potential in our ovaries because we have a lot of ovule in our ovaries. This is a potential life. When we learn to connect with this energy and we draw it out of our ovaries and into our body and collect it, then we have more life force energy and also more healing takes place in our body. And that is the first step in going to the sexual part, into the more aroused energy for women, together with the energy egg practice. These are secret practices for cultivating chi. Eventually, when a woman practices diligently and passes this self-healing process, eventually the menstruation can also shorten. That's written down in the Taoist books, that some women, they have like only every 2 months a menstruation, or even every 3 months only. You maybe think, oh, why? That is not good when we don't have every month a menstruation. But the Taoists, they think about this a bit different. They say, actually what happens when we are before menstruation, the body prepares to be pregnant. And when no pregnancy happens, then we have a menstruation. Animals have it normally twice a year, and we have it every month. If you don't want a child next month or the following month, then you can go into this practice. Or maybe some women who already have 2 children or who do not want to have more children, they can also start to practice that more intense. And it is a process of self-healing, as I say, and eventually they can reduce the menstruation. Thank you very much for watching.